guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a cube with magnetic balls. So first, make a straight line with all your dots, I guess. Okay, so once you have a straight line, connect both of your ends and you'll get something which looks like a circle. Now put your fingers in the middle and pull them away from each other. Okay? Now try to cut it in the middle. Okay? And attach both of the lines so to get something which looks like 4 lines attached. Okay? If you have any excess marbles, just take them off. Attach them. Okay? Okay, there we go. This might be a little tricky, so just keep trying. These magnets just don't want to stick. There. And now I have 2 extra. So I'm just gonna put them aside. So now cut off 1/3 and attach it to the top. Okay? Come on. Okay, now make it into a straight line and attach both of the ends. Now you have some. Now attach it again. So now we have 2 lines connecting. Now attach it to this. Okay, and then yeah. And if you have any extra, I'm pretty sure you guys know what to do. Remove it, and then you have to attach it. Right, guys? There we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go. Now after this, you guys are supposed to basically fold it. Understood? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fold. Okay, flip it over. 1, 2, and now fold it again. Flip it over. Fold it again. Flip it over. Fold it again. Flip it over. And fold it again, and that's basically your cube. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to smash the notification bell. Check out my channel for other cool videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.